Hey, y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Mamie, and we are packing. Y'all, guess what time it is? It's cruise time. So we are away and at it. It's almost time to go, so I thought I would bring you guys in, ask you for some help. I'm trying to get packed, and I need to make some decisions. Think I got it summed up, but maybe you can help me. Thanks for joining me. My name is Mamie. This is Mamie's channel. And yes, I can travel. And today, we're packing. We are going on a cruise. 5 days, 4 nights, y'all. So come along with me. Help me get packed. So I think I done figured some stuff out, y'all. All right. So how many outfits do you think I need for this cruise? How many do you think? I have no idea. I just got a whole bunch of stuff here, and we're gonna pack it in and we're gonna make it happen. So let's just take a look. We do have, like I said, 4 nights. So what I figured, I'll take something dressy for every night. So I got a few outfits. Let's start off with, here's a red pants outfit, y'all. You tell me, what do you think? 1, then I got a red dress outfit. 2, and I got a black dress outfit. 3, and then here's a simple black dress. 4, we're gonna make it simple. Now, of course, I hope, I don't know nothing about a white night. Y'all know a lot of times on these cruises, they do them white nights and stuff, and I don't know if I got to pull something out the closet for the white night. I might just throw it in and just take it with me. But what do you think? I said, it's 4 nights, 5 days. So that's 4 outfits. I'm thinking I may be comfortable. I'm gonna tell y'all right away, I am a happy packer, but I think I'm doing good to come up with just that. All right, now for the day outfits. Since we got 5 days, y'all, how many outfits should I be packing? I know you ain't gonna say 5, because you got to, I don't know. So let's start off and see what we got here. So I got this little dress outfit, y'all. That's 1. I'm trying to figure out these shoes, y'all. Here's another, a little blue dress outfit, y'all. Let's see how that go. 2. Let's see what else, dress outfits. Here's some little activity, little dress outfits. Here's 3. Little dress. You can just be on the deck and running and playing some pickleball or just out enjoying the day. So that's 3 dresses, and here's the 4th one. Simple. Let's see what else I got. 4. That's 4 little dress outfits, y'all. 4. Okay. Oh, sorry. Found a couple more. Here's a little white one. 5. Told y'all I was a happy packer. And then here's a little short jumper. Uh-oh, how many is that? 6. Okay. And then, okay, so now we got some short outfit. 1, 2, another short outfit. 3, short outfit. 5. Okay, that's 5 short outfits. Then I got some workout. Now, y'all, I know. I do plan on taking a class. This shift is, I'm going on the Virgin. So, Virgin Voyages. So I do plan on they have free exercise classes. So I do want to do it. So I'm excited about that. So I got a few of those outfits too, y'all. So here we go with one short outfit for that. Then 2, 3. I got 3 and then an extra shirt here looks like. Y'all think I'm gonna do that much working out? Yeah. Let me know what y'all think. I'm going to them 1 or 2 classes for sure. All right, so also what I'm thinking is I should always take a pair of jeans with me. So I don't know about y'all, but I got 1 pair of jeans, 2 pair of jeans, and 2 shirts. Well, sorry, 4 more shirts, 2 more. Y'all, I don't know. Am I overpacking? Am I doing too much? I always go and bring some clothes back, but I'd rather have more than enough than not enough. But a lot of times when you on these ships, because I do cruise, it ain't my first or second time. I've been on multiple cruises. And I'd rather take more than less. And sometimes you wear a lot of stuff. You know, how many swimsuits should I be taking? How many do you think I got? Let's take a look. Let me see, where's my swimwear? I think this is swimwear here. And let me see what I got, y'all. Here's 1 swimsuit, 2-piece, 1 swimsuit, 2 swimsuits, 3 swimsuits, 4 swimsuits. That's 4 swimsuits. I think that's enough. Or do y'all think I need another one? Should I have 5? I know we got 4 nights. Maybe I need another one. Let me know in the comments, y'all. So, and then I got 1 wrap, 2 wraps, 3, 4 cover-ups. Yes, I got 4 swimsuits, I got 4 cover-ups. Let's see how that works. Then I got some swim shoes. These are mostly for when we are going to port and we're going to be out on the beach in the ocean because you want to protect your feet. You always want to take some of these. So I ordered these. I think I got them off of Amazon or Shein, somebody. So we ready for stuff to protect our feet. I do have a couple, but I think I'm going to take one of those, y'all. Now, okay. Then I got 1 pair of house shoes that I'm going to take only 1. And far as pajamas, they do have a pajama party. So I do have a set of pajamas for the pajama party. And I got things in here. And then I'll probably take at least 4 pajama outfits. Okay? What do y'all think? I think that's gonna work. My biggest dilemma, y'all, is my shoes. What am I gonna do about these shoes? How many? Let me know. What do you think? How many pair of shoes should I be taking? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna count them. Let's just see how many I got here. Let's see. 1, 2. Let's just see. How many I'm gonna be getting? Y'all see? All right, y'all can see me. All right, let's just check and see how many pair of shoes I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right now, y'all, I got 9 pair of shoes. No, there's 2 more in the bag. There's 11 pair of shoes. I don't know. I don't think that's enough. And I know it's not. Because now I got to look at each outfit and make sure I got something to match. I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up, I'm going to try to cap it at 15, y'all. I'm going to cap it at 15. If I do less than that, I really done worked on some things. But I think I can squeeze it all in this suitcase. Y'all, help me out here. And I know good and well. Look at here. Y'all, I need help. I told y'all I'm a heavy packer. I'm trying not to take as much. Look at all these hats I got. Now I got on the bed currently. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and I ain't even got all my sunvisors and stuff out yet. So, currently I'm looking at, I got seven of them out, but I might add a couple more because I gotta have more sunvisors, and I know I got a couple favorites that's not out. So I'm gonna break that down. I'm only gonna take 4 or 5. I'm gonna break that down, y'all. I'm gonna break that down. I'm gonna look at my outfit and match some stuff up. Let me see how it's working so I can get packed up, y'all. It's time to go. Let me know, what do you do when you're packing for your trip? How much do you take with you? Look, I got a lot more stuff to put in this suitcase. Y'all can see me working. I still got jewelry. I still got, well, I got my underwears and all of that stuff already packed up. I got my disinfectant. My Lysol gotta go. I got my cups, y'all. And I'm thinking, okay, y'all. Tell me, do you take a mug, something with you for drinking, for walking around the ship like this? I got this one and I got this one. I'm thinking, I need to break it down. I don't need them both. I think I'm going to break it down, y'all, and just take this one because it's compact. I can put it in my book pack and I can move around with it, and I can use it on the cruise as well. Tell me, do you take the big one or do you take a smaller one that's going to hold enough to, quench the thirst? I'm thinking I'm going to take this one. I need to break it down. I know the suitcase ain't supposed to be more than 50 pounds. I'm not looking to pay no whole lot of money for a heavy suitcase. So I'm going to break it down. It's going to be less than 50 pounds. You let me know, what do you do? How do you pack your suitcase? I'm not even gone for 7 days, y'all. It's only, about 5, 6 nights. That's what I'm going to be going, and I'll be back. Because I'm going down the night before. Always go the day before. So you're not, if your plane get canceled, you don't want to miss your boarding times and miss your cruise and all that. So I always go a day ahead. So I'm going a day ahead. So that means an extra outfit, y'all. So that's why I got so many. That one extra day. Y'all, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This was just the Pack With Me 2026 cruise. Getting ready. Asking for some of y'all help. It's time to go. It's time to get packed up. If you have not taken the time to hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Give me some comments. Let me know what you do. How do you pack? What do you take? I got a lot of stuff. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm still working on it, but I'm close. Y'all see me? I'm close to getting it done. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in with Mamie today. I appreciate you. Hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Give me some comments there. Y'all come on back and see me again. Until the next time. And if you need help planning your next travel, reach out to me at MamieHarris.intellitravel.com or yesican.travelagency@gmail.com. Either one will get me, or give me some notes down there and I'll reach back out to you. I appreciate you. Now y'all go ahead on and share that love with someone else because we all need it. And if you're not traveling, baby, you better get it together. It's time. Yes, you can. Just like I am. You can do it too. All right, y'all. Stay blessed. We'll see you in the next video.